to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen, and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Guys, I am so excited. It was so unexpected, but sometimes those are the best ones. I don't even have on makeup right now, so I'm really sorry. It's like 11 o'clock at night and I just got back, but I'm just so excited to share all the things that I bought. While I was in there, I decided that I really need to update this 4-shelf cube thing that's in my living room, and so I just went and bought a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know what's gonna work or what's not, but I'm just gonna show you everything that I bought, and then we're gonna go and try and style it. Let's start with Ross. So I picked up this orchid thing because I needed something with some height to go on the top, and this was $12.99, and I thought it would bring in some color, and it was really nice looking. A lot of times orchids could look really fake, but I really liked this one, so we'll see. I bought this tray on a whim. It was only $7.99. I thought that I could put this on top with the orchid and then maybe another little figurine thing right here. My cube shelf is really dark and I'm trying to brighten it up with some things, and I thought putting this like light tray on it and putting in some lighter things into the cubes might tie it all together. I got this from Ross as well. I thought this can go in one of the cubey things. This one was $11.99, but it has like these nice almost mirror kind of things, and I thought that the wood matched this one pretty well. And I randomly got this table runner. This was only $6.99, and I thought it really said springtime because it's very textured. I bought a lot of these pieces. Hopefully some of them will work in different areas of my house, but I thought like the color scheme kind of went and it would tie the whole apartment together. So that's all I got from Ross. I think I spent like $30 there. Moving over to Home Goods, I got this. This was the most expensive item that I bought. It was $16.99. So I got this one because I really do love it. I love the vase that it's in. The green is the perfect green. It doesn't look really fake. I thought that I would get it, and if it doesn't work out, I will take it back. When I'm shopping to style something and I'm not really sure if it's gonna work or not, I like to just buy a couple things to rotate in and out, because if I already know I'm probably gonna be taking one thing back, I might as well get a whole bunch of stuff, check them all out, and then take it all back at the same time. If you have the means to do that, I highly recommend that. Then you can swap things out instead of making 18 million trips. I got this little picture frame. It was on sale for $3, but it's missing this back, so I'm gonna have to try and DIY something. Everything matches really nice, so that's why I picked that one up. I also got this one, and this was only $2. So I didn't know which one I liked more, or I thought maybe I can use one on one side of the room, one on the other side of the room, but I thought they matched really nice. I also picked up this one. This is really cute, and it was on clearance for $6. Okay, I thought this was so cool. I got this. So these are two separate pieces. This giant clear jug was on sale for $3. And I saw these cotton balls there. They went so well in here, but I thought it was really cool and really earthy and something really different. I never really buy things like this. Now for the fun part, let's try styling. Okay guys, so here is the spot that really needs a makeover. Yeah, let's see if we can make any of that stuff work. And if it doesn't work over there, I also really need to update this little section and also put the runner on this table. So here's everything that we have to work with. Sharkbait's choosing out his favorites. Oh, Sharkbait has a new toy. I buy Sharkbait so many toys, and he doesn't use them. Stop that. Okay guys, I think this looks so good in so many different ways, but let's see where else we can put some of these things so maybe it'll make this decision a little bit easier. Okay, now let's see what we can do over here. Yuck. So I think this is going to be the final configuration for the coffee table. This is a live plant, so I can't like just store him. He's going to stay there until I figure out what to do with him. But that's really cute, and then I just have to fix that so it'll lean backwards. Come over here, nice and minimal, earthy, but also springtime, but not like too flowery or anything. I'm gonna try and find 2 other things to go on both sides of that. And then the best part, the cube. It looks so good. I'm so excited and happy with how it turned out. And the best part is if I get sick of any of this, I can just keep swapping them all around. These will go anywhere in the entire apartment and they'll never go out of style. I can put them away and bring them back out later. I'm so excited. I'm actually not gonna return anything. I love all of it. And yeah, I haven't had an amazing haul like this in so long. I'm so happy with how everything turned out. I still just have to find a little spot for this guy. Maybe in my bathroom. We'll see. Guys, if you're not following me already on Instagram, my tag is here. It's Hello Kristen TV. I post on Instagram all the time. Every time I'm going shopping, I take you along. While I'm doing these, I Instagram story everything. So make sure you are subscribed over there and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.